Hey there, education business owners. Today I want to chat about a myth that's floating around out there. It's the idea that it's cheaper to sell your business by yourself than using an experienced business broker. As an RTO specialist in Australia, I've seen this myth trip up many folks. First off, let's talk about valuation. Knowing the true value of your business isn't just about numbers, it's about understanding market trends and buyer psychology. A seasoned broker can pinpoint your business's worth with precision. Going solo, you might undervalue it, costing you big time. Brokers have established networks and can connect you with serious buyers quickly. They weed out tire kickers, bringing only genuine offers. Selling on your own, you could spend months searching for the right buyer. Then there's the negotiation phase. Experienced brokers are masters at structuring deals to benefit you. A broker takes the load off your shoulders, letting you focus on running your business. So there you have it. Leverage the expertise of a seasoned broker and you'll likely come out ahead. Thanks for watching, and remember, don't go it alone. Catch you in the next video.